everybody, and in this video we are gonna start animating the scene. So we are gonna start with animating the camera. So first, the camera is this, and I forgot to tell you this monkey is named Suzanne in Blender. I don't know why, but maybe it is a language thing. So by selecting the camera, we're gonna go to the frame 1 in here. So we're gonna focus now in here, and this I'm just gonna drag it in here because we're not gonna use this anymore now. And to save control space makes the preview, so you can preview the viewport. And now we're gonna drag the camera by just locking the camera and dragging it to a place like this place, and we're gonna just put it just in here so it's not gonna see the other space. And we're gonna hit I for animating. You can see this yellow thing. And if we go just like to the frame 24, but I'm gonna go to frame 120 and go to a spot like this spot. But you can see the emptiness is there, so I'm just gonna draw it like this. But we can see that the monkey is not gonna stay like this. In the second tutorial, the monkey is gonna have really good physics to landing on the ground, so the monkey is gonna be like that. And still we see this emptiness, but don't try to beat the game. We can just control R to loop this. Just looping it like this, and selecting the faces and extruding. No mean how far you extrude. That means before that we need to be selecting the camera. Okay, so the camera. Okay, here's the camera. We're gonna hit I in here. Now if we go and preview, you can see we have the monkey animation. And if I turn around, I can see this animation. Before that, before just like doing more changes, I can see that if I keep playing, it's gonna keep going into this frame in here. Then it's gonna return. So what we are gonna do is to go like in, we can stop it like in 132. So we can select end and 132. Now if it's gonna finish, it's not gonna be really good. It's gonna stop in a place. That is really cool, because I don't want to put it into 120 because it's gonna be really bad. And we can see we have our final animation, but it's gonna render with the render mode. So before that, we're gonna control S to save, and you're gonna be ready to render. You're gonna be ready to render the animation. So this is the final tutorial, the final video of the 5.0 tutorial. So I'm gonna make another tutorial with I'm gonna improve the monkey animation. So we're gonna hit render and render animation, or control F12, but we're gonna click on render animation. So it's gonna open this new panel that is gonna render animation. So your PC is kinda gonna be like my PC because it's gonna first block a little bit. Now I'm in 4 minutes recording or 5 minutes just with trying to make the animation looking cool. As you can see, it's gonna be still rendering. So bye until it renders. I hope you finished with me the tutorial. Bye.